In Dhaka, the city never sleeps.
So, where do we begin this time?
Anywhere my gadgets can take us.
4 explorers with one dream. Maya trusted her compass.
It says, Whispering Falls.
Rohan sparks and wires.
Or explodes, ha ha ha.
Lena captured the world in sketches.
Hold still, little one, yet not finished.
But outside, Destiny waited in an old alley.
This place looks perfect for finding the secrets. Let's not waste a single moment.
A dusty shop of wonders.
It's like stepping into history.
Shelves whispered of forgotten times.
Wait, what's that behind the rugs?
Her hand found a fragile parchment.
Careful, don't tear it.
Lines of rivers, roots, and mystery.
Still points me somewhere. Maybe to adventure.
The past made the present.
The landmarks do still exist. We can actually follow them to the treasure.
Every clue recorded.
We'll need rope, water, and snacks.
Plans quickly took shape.
It's not just a map, it's an invitation.
But not everyone was convinced.
This journey could be dangerous. You must promise to stay safe.
Dreams are fine, but reality is far more dangerous, and I can't let you forget that.
The room buzzed with voices. At last, permission granted with one condition.
Only if you take a guide, someone who can keep you safe on the path.
We'll be careful and be safe at any cost. Promise.
Excitement filled the air.
Time to pack. Everything we carry now could save us later.
Every tool a promise.
Don't forget to backpack my must-needed sketchbook.
Every spur an idea.
We're really doing this, and nothing's going to stop us.
But a deeper secret steward.
Not just anywhere. The map points straight to Whispering Falls.
At dawn, their journey began.
This is real now. We're leaving the city and stepping into history.
Every mile carried them closer.
The forest is waiting. It feels like it's calling us inside.
The Sundarbans, their true test.
You came. I knew the map would lead you to this place.
A wise friend would lead the way.
Keep your eyes open. Every step here has a story to tell.
Together, they took their first step.
We're ready, all of us, and nothing can hold us back now.
Adventure begins, and the river will carry us into the unknown.
Didi, আমি বেরিয়ে রাখলে লাইক করুন, সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন, বেল আইকন চাপতে পাশে থাকুন।